Hello and welcome back to the AutoRepair Cloud channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to import data from other shop management systems. Let's begin. If you used to utilize any other shop management software, we can help you to import your historical records without any data loss. Go to Data and Analytics and select Import Data. If you used any other shop management software previously, we can help you import your data. Select the required software from the list and follow the instructions. If your system is not on the list, contact us via chat or by email. It is also easy to import customers, vehicles, and repairs. Don't forget to select one of the following functions. Do not send email invitations to imported customers or send email invitations to imported customers. To import the inventory, please select the following section. If you experience any difficulties working in this section or with data import, please contact our support team via live chat or by email. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to receive updates and new videos from AutoRepair Cloud.